Hello! For manufacturers, AUTOSUN2 allows you to put motor in deep standby directly using the first pair remote control. Consumption is then reduced to a minimum during storage and/or transport of the shutter so that the battery does not run down unnecessarily. This also prevents any risk of mishandling during transport. Deep standby mode can only be activated on your motor at the time of packing after performing the following steps laid out in the manual. Temporarily pair a single remote control. Set the rotational direction of the motor. Set the high and low limit switches. And finally, confirm the pairing of the remote control by pressing the prog button for 1 second. Once the motor reacts by rotating in one direction and then in the other, your remote is paired. You will be able to put your motor in deep standby mode using the first paired remote control and only during the 10 minutes that follow this step. Here's how you do it. Just press the 3 buttons at the same time for more than 3 seconds. The motor reacts by rotating in one direction and then in the other. The motor is now in deep standby. You can store or transport it without any problem. After installing the shutter, the motor must be reactivated using the remote control that was used to put it on standby. Warning: the motor can only be taken out of standby if the solar panel is connected to the motor and illuminated by sunlight or a torchlight if necessary. It's easy to bring it out of standby mode. Press both the up and down buttons at the same time for 10 seconds. The motor reacts by rotating in one direction and then in the other. The motor is now active and functional. You can now program the motor and add other remote controls to your motor.